Confluent Health is a healthcare and related business company. We have really 4 lines of business. Confluent Health is just a name. It's just a holding company. Nobody knows us as Confluent Health. What they do know is they know our brands. They know our physical therapy brands throughout the country. And in Kentucky, we're known as Pro Rehab and as Orthopedic Sports and Physical Therapy of Kentucky. We have a number of locations that are freestanding outpatient musculoskeletal clinics, aches, pains, sprains, and strains. We have about 7,000 employees. We're in about 37 states very actively, and in other states we're in a mild way through our occupational health business called Fit for Work. And we educate students all over the country through our Evidence in Motion subsidiary. We have an incredible mission at Confluent Health that we do meaningful work that impacts lives, and we really see ourselves as transforming healthcare, one patient, one therapist, one employer, and one student at a time. In the first quarter of 2023, we rolled out ESG to all of our employees, and we wanted to educate them on the positive ways that they can impact their environmental footprint. You know, we're not just in Kentucky. Like I said, we're very active in 37 states, and our goals included, not only understanding the direct ways, but the indirect ways that we impact our facilities, our operations, our business practices, and services to the environment. We want to operate the business in a manner that is sensitive to the needs and concerns of all the stakeholders. So that includes your investors, it includes your customers, it includes your co-workers and employees. We are also very technology oriented. So by applying the latest and greatest in evidence and how that works, we also wanted to be mindful that, if you're not careful, you can have a lot of mindless waste and pollution. And so educating and training all of our employees on these, sort of conscientious practices really does increase their contribution and their buy-in to it. And then it becomes kind of a, self-fulfilling prophecy, and everybody becomes in a kind of a contagious way, and everybody becomes better because of it. What Canopy does is it puts you in, both a combination of pedagogy, teaching you about the ways that you affect environmental, social, and governance, and then giving you a template around ways that you can customize your own company. We're very different than a manufacturing company, very different than a hospitality industry. And as a service industry, they have a variety of teaching tools and techniques that keep you accountable, that really, make it yours to embrace and make it an opportunity for you to spread the word about that sensitivity in your company, becoming Canopy certified in 3 or 5 or 10 years. Your customers will recognize that. And so your customers are going to be shopping, and they're going to be wanting to, frequent, employers and businesses that have a high sensitivity around environmental, social, and governance.